Hello, my name is Wesley Sapto, and today I will be showing you the SOLIDWORKS RX Tool. So some of you are asking yourself, what is the SOLIDWORKS RX Tool? So the RX Tool allows you to problem capture or record your workflow or the system crashing or any other issue that you are currently experiencing with SOLIDWORKS at that particular moment. And where to find it is simply click in your search bar, type in RX, and then we now run that application. So you can do various things with the RX tool. You can open it in safe modes, run diagnostics, system maintenance, problem capture, the reliability of files and logs, and also test the performance of your hardware. And today we'll be covering the problem capture. And as stated, this allows you to record your SOLIDWORKS session, and once you have completed that SOLIDWORKS session, you can then fill in the necessary details and then forward that zip folder onto a Mecad Systems application engineer. This will make our jobs much easier so that we can identify the exact area whether it is your workflow or to see which feature it is that is giving you the issues. You can either have SOLIDWORKS run in the background already, or you can start a new session of SOLIDWORKS when the tool prompts for the new session to be recorded. So we simply click on record video, and now a new session of SOLIDWORKS will be opened. This is very, very handy, like I said. And now we simply press record, minimize that, and now you can simply start designing your part. And like every other SOLIDWORKS session, you simply fully define your part, give your part some dimensions, okay, and now we have our beam. But in this particular instance, you are maybe experiencing issues with your hole wizard. So now we choose our parameters, we choose our positions, and there we have our holes. And now we are finished recording our session, so we simply restore that window, we click finish. Our capture has been recorded. Now we can package our files. So SOLIDWORKS will retrieve all our files, and this is very, very important. The path to which your SOLIDWORKS RX tool will save the zip folder. So on this PC, your documents and SOLIDWORKS log files. You leave that name as is, and you only say save. And now we continue to step number 3 to describe our issue. And in this case, we say our summary is hole wizard issue. Then we now classify the level of impact that this issue is. So this can either be a question, a low impact, medium impact, high, or critical. So and just bear in mind that not all your issues can be critical, only if it's preventing you from continuing your workflow or if it's preventing you from meeting the deadlines set out by your design manager. If it is critical, you select critical. The reason is cannot continue to complete work and meet deadline. We now say OK, and there you have it. Our problem capture has been recorded, all the necessary files have been added, and now we can simply exit the RX tool. So ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe, and enable those notifications to receive your notification for the next Mecad Minute video. I'm Wesley Sapto, and we'll see you on the next one.